everyone. This is Dr. Tejasvi, consultant oral and maxillofacial surgeon from Krishna Dental Hospitals. Today we are going to speak about wisdom teeth. What is wisdom teeth? Wisdom teeth, generally it's a third molar which is last to erect probably in between the age 18 to 25 years. A person has generally 4 wisdom teeth, 2 are in the maxilla and 2 are in the mandible. Now why are these problems arising? There are several reasons for the patient complaining problem with the wisdom tooth. So a few of the reasons could be there is not enough space for the wisdom tooth to erupt normally into the oral cavity, which could be because of tough gum coverage over the erupting tooth, or obstruction from the adjacent tooth, or completely embedding bone or obstruction from the bone erupting normally into the oral cavity. Why few people face problems with the wisdom tooth? It could be because of lack of space for it to erupt normally into the oral cavity, which could be obstructed by the gum, adjacent tooth or bone. And the next one could be dental caries, which can happen because of food lodgement. Now, how do we overcome the problems associated with wisdom tooth? Initially, if the pain is if it is a negligible and if it is only a single episode of pain, it can be managed medically after taking x-rays and all those clinical checkups. Now, how do we overcome the problems with the wisdom tooth? If the pain is just a single episode, then sometimes it can be managed with medication. But if there is repeated episodes of pain or any extraoral swelling, the patient has to get the clinical and radiological investigations done with the dentist, and if required, you have to go for removal of the wisdom tooth. For any further details, please contact Krishna Dental Hospitals. Thank you.